Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka National Domestic Worker Movement Meghalaya Region haringkat kidikhat ka Children Parliament kilapan pawi ka jing songkhya ka bajur halor ka jing jilai bar ka jing ke state ki bakarni haudrak ha ka jilla habayakren bakinong tho khobor ha ka sngi satjan ha Shillong Press Club kidikhat ka Children Parliament kila karpat ya ka Sorkar bakadei ban shimkhya ban te lakam yaudrak barban kanom dei ban e ben ki khna ki blakarni haudrak Hendai ka Sorkar ka deban penti kena bagi neki kena ki balangat haudrok kindon haki Rehabilitation Center neki jaka ai jing sumar ringkat pa ka jing selok bakin la banwan phai byang sha ka jing im ka bobha bat ka im la salang ki saudong jong ka school ki dei ban long ki jaka nak benta na ka pule puthi om ka jaka ban pen long jing khai yaudrok ka National Domestic Worker Movement Meghalaya Region ka Dawa nak Sorkar ban thau Kham ye ki Rehabilitation Center nak banta ki khna bat ki samla ki balanga bhagi jingdi basniu
wan khmat jom pi benta ban pau ya ka jing setiang ka bami na ka jing kani jong drop sa ka jala jingi nila ban long tang ki khna ndrai ni dei ban ter chapang ki ni ki jing sniu ni ya ka jing pra ban jing kan an ha ki long yeng long sam tang naka jingkirni hakini ki jingki penbuan dei naka ni gadau wan khmat jumhi bat kepat dan buram ya ka Sorkar ban ki chinong ki thau jingi bakin shna ya ki jing smart ai ya ki khna deep drop sane ki free rehabilitation center bat ban bu ki kendol bas kham nang ban sange singal ya ka jing pendan kam bat sam pathar yu drugs ki jingdi tengkerni kamdai shu tang ki bala he lasan ki khna bat ki samla ru ki kala nong di drosani nong di kya bat kane karai skat pha pedeng jingi bun ki bangat tang na ka basumat gan ki ba penbor ki parlok ki ba jan e gan ki ba pa panlat na ka jing janjar ki wei pat ki di na ka jing sha sho pen ka jing ipen hiang asam bat ru ba kini ki jingdi tengkerni ki subhaban yo ni ie ki perlok jingi ki badu no ka jingkerman jingkot jingkhya ya ka jingpuli batru ya ka jingthu jongki kimran shu ka jingsok tanat haskul ka jinglong jongki kala kala bat bun sien ki long marwei ki dam shla bat ki saudiau ka jingkerni bandi ya kini ki jingdi kin buat kam dei kang ka kambaman hendrai ka penpau bat ka peni ya ka jingdon kam kata kajing yarap na ka Sorkar ya gitu bala sha kata batte marau hau drugs
nakajing ring rai ki yisam nakajing shinta nesha ibani nakajing sa ne jing kya ki suro nakajing tre ha ko por ka khna rakhanta mai ka jing ka ki jing ko jing khat ikina kim de ban yo ki jing tum rai ki dan kam ya ka jing e jing small ba jing sla ka ba pya ngai pro khna balango phikini ki jing di pun ai Ningkong ay udan kami ka jing sba om ban cha pen shtom na kani ka daw ko baning kong ka bakong san tam ka de ka jing joy ya ka jing shna ay ki cha ka sma ha ka ba ki pen sung na ki khina amala ki district kuma ka lang mata ki cha ka sma na ka kini ki plakel ni kini ki jing di pun ai kalang ka badang dong ha do kata kata ani ka badai ta nam ta ki balai lasan ki khina ki la sha e sha ma bala khani ki kun kinang le ba man Kemudian kami kijaka semua Rehabilitation Center, kijaka semua ki kena kabapen hakaba kinong semua kin ai jingas lab jing e baji kai ki dan tre ban ban phai pa shala jing em hakaba piang kum ki kena ki labiang dong sedang kijaka semua kimde kijaka le sambha andre ki kijaka dan pelat ini gitu ki pelado jingkeman ni do
Taking action for the sake of our generation. A child struggling with addiction should not be left on the streets, in police station, or locked in shame at home. That child should be in rehabilitation center, surrounded by care, treatment, and hope. A school zone should be a place of learning, not a marketplace for drugs. Childhood should be a time for dreams, not dependency. we request the authorities to treat this issue as an emergency that affects the future of the entire state. If we protect children today, we protect the nation tomorrow. We hope our voices will not be ignored because we are young. And in fact, it should be heard more clearly because we are speaking about our own lives, our friends, our future. Let it become the beginning of real change. Let it not just end, just another meeting, a news report. Free rehabilitation for every child who needs it, and strong preventive action to stop illegal drugs from reaching us. Our message to the society, to the parents: your love is the best medicine. To the teachers, your attention can change a life. To the police and officials, please treat addicted children as children, not as criminals. To the media, your voice can change policies. Our dream. We dream of a country where no child sleeps on the road with drugs in hand. No child is rejected because their family is poor. No child is left alone because to fight addiction. We thank the press for giving us this platform, and we trust that you will carry our message far and wide. Together, let us save childhood from substance abuse and build safer, healthier future for all children. Thank you.
Hope and giving children a second chance at their childhood. Along with rehabilitation, prevention must become a top priority in our state. We urge the government to take strict actions against the illegal sale and distribution of drugs. Drugs peddlers often target children because they know children are easy to get influenced. Substances are being sold near schools, playgrounds, bus stands, and marketplaces. This is a direct threat to our safety. We demand regular inspections and strict punishment for anyone selling tobacco, alcohol, or drugs to the minors. Police patrolling should be increased in areas where children they often gather. Special task forces should focus on stopping drugs networks that operate in residential and school zones. At the same time, awareness programs must be strengthened. Many children fall into addiction simply because they doesn't know the consequences. Schools should include age-appropriate education about substance abuse, mental health, and peer pressure. Children should be taught how to say no, how to seek help, and how to support their friends when he or she may be struggling. When children feel valued, heard, and supported, they are far less likely to fall into such substances. We also request the media to act responsibly. Movies, social media, and advertisements sometimes shows something related to alcohol or drugs or tobacco that shows something like it is cool or normal. We ask the media to highlight the dangers of substance abuse and to amplify stories of recovery and resilience instead of glamorizing the harmful behavior. As a Children's of Child Parliament, we are ready to be a part of this solution, but we cannot do this alone. We will conduct peer groups programs, street plays, and poster drives and discussion in school and communities. We will encourage children how to speak up and how to say no. We need strong support from the government, law enforcement, schools, families, and a society as a whole.
Domestic workers, children under Child Right Movement, that is CRM. The Child Right Movement CRM has formed in 18 different states of India with the purpose to ensure the survival, development, protection, and participation of every child, treating them as active, right-bearing individuals in aims to eliminate abuse, exploitation, child labor, and inadequate qualities, fostering of safe environment where all children can thrive, receive education, and exercise their rights. In Meghalaya, the CRM has formed in different parts of East Khasi Hills, Shillong, irrespective of caste, religion, tribe, etc. but with the sole purpose of growth and development of all the children. The MDWM, realizing the dynamic potential within the children, this CP was formed. Hence, Child Parliament is a child-led democratic platform where children come together to voice their opinions, learn leadership and participate in decision-making on issues that active their life and communities. It is inspired by the principle of democracy and the United Nations Convention on the Right of the Child. Following are some of the activities organized by the NDWM for the Child Right Movement in Sri Lanka. Forming group, the members are between the age of 9 to 18 years. Initially, the CRM was mostly for the domestic workers' children, but later the CP is extended to all children who are willing to be a part of it. Conducted different awareness programs on child rights, POXO health and hygiene, leadership training, stress management, bad and good touch, etc. The movement also organized exposure programs to different departments like Nehu Science Center, District Court, Department of Atomic Energy, with the purpose of giving them opportunity to explore themselves and learn. Besides this, they also commemorate and observe World Day Against Child Labour on 12 June, Day of Hope, International Day of Girl Child on 11 of October, Children's Day 14 November, and many others important days related to child. The member of Child Parliament have also hosted a roundtable conference, street play, postcard campaign, signature campaign on substances abuse so as to give awareness to the society on issues that concern. Open breed school and provide tuition for dropout children to cope up with the other regular children. Conducted skill trainings on arts and entrepreneurship. Today, the member of CP, considering the increasing number of drug abuses among the child in the state, express their feeling and concern for their fellow being. Thank you.